Hi everyone, I have a room tour for you today. This is an inside room on Freedom of the Seas. Deck 9, I believe the room number is 9279. It's the room my son was in while we were on our family cruise this year. This is from July of 2024. I hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. And we're going to start our tour off here in front of room 9279. Again, this is an interior room on Freedom of the Seas. Take a quick peek at the room before you check out the closet and the bathroom. The bed is together in the Royal King configuration. It can be separated into two twin beds. And to the right when you walk in is the closet. It's a decent sized closet. If you were maybe on a week-long cruise and you had two people in here, it could get a little bit full. But you see the safe right there along with some of the shelves. This space up above is kind of nice for shoes and whatnot if you don't want them on the floor. If you need some extra hanging space, they have some of these fold down bars that are kind of nice. Another peek at the room. We're going to turn left into the bathroom. I apologize for the dirty towels on the floor, but we were checking out and they were ready to clean the room for the next cruise. There was also a workman outside ready to replace the light. And the shower is nice in here. You can kind of move the shower head around quite a bit. It does not have a curtain. It actually has a door, which is really nice. But it is just a touch small. So, and you can see some of the towel bars that they have here where they would stock the clean ones after they clean the room. There is a garbage can underneath the sink and a good size mirror. And as we head out here, we're going to take a look at the vanity. And this is where, if you saw my video on a junior suite where you miss some of the additional shelving, but you do get kind of these little cubby sections next to the mirror. And these are nice for smaller things if you want to kind of keep this desk vanity area clutter free. Shelf above the TV, and you do have drawers on both sides of the chair. And then to the left there, we're going to get there in a second. To the left there is the cooler slash chiller, not quite a refrigerator, but it does help keep things cool in the room. And we'll step back and take a look. I would say this room gets a little bit snug when it's configured this way. And you're going to see right here, there's barely enough room between the couch and the bed. It would have almost been better if they just had a chair there and it made it easier to access that side of the bed. As you know, on the left-hand side of the bed here between, because there's really not much space to work with. And one more peek here. And as we turn, I want to thank you for watching the video and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for checking out my video, and remember, if you're looking for a cruise, contact me and I'll find the perfect cruise vacation for you.